A couple of years back, I decided to record a recipe for strawberry jam during strawberry season. I sometimes like to make homemade jams because they are free of any kinds of food color or food preservatives, and I have also made this jam a couple of times before as well since I love strawberries. Everything seemed to be going well. The consistency of the jam was looking good. It looked perfect, but something happened very soon after that. Accidentally, I ended up knocking over my tripod, and without turning off the stove, I started fixing it. While I was fixing it, the jam was overcooked. I did not realize the fact immediately, but when it cooled down, it turned into this sticky, slimy substance that was unlike any jam I have ever made or seen. So, this recipe was a failure, and after that, I never had the courage to attempt making strawberry jam or any jam for that matter again. To salvage the ingredients that I had used, I just made strawberry milkshake with this strawberry paste or whatever this jam attempt turned into. So, yeah, failures are a part of life and you need to learn to embrace them, because even if you have been cooking or baking or doing anything for a long time and you still fail at something, it is not the end of the world. You can still continue your efforts and try again, maybe try harder this time. So don't be discouraged by your failed attempts. The purpose of sharing this video was to let you know that failure is not the end of the world.